Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know that transferring assets like Solana can feel a bit intimidating, especially with all the updates in 2025. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer Solana from your Trust Wallet to Binance. By the end of this video, you'll have your Solana moved securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Binance apps or websites set up on your device. You'll need Solana in your Trust Wallet and a verified Binance account. This process uses the Solana blockchain, so double-check that you're on the correct network to avoid any errors. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Solana wallet. You'll see your balance right there. Tap on it to access the send or transfer option. Before you proceed, head over to Binance. Log into your account, go to the wallet section, and select Deposit for Solana. This will generate a unique deposit address. Copy that address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Binance deposit address into the To field. Make sure it's the exact address. One wrong character could send your Solana to the wrong place. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which are usually pretty low on Solana. Once everything looks good, hit the Send or Confirm button. You'll be prompted to verify the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After confirmation, the transfer will be broadcast to the Solana blockchain. This usually takes just a few seconds to a minute in 2025, thanks to Solana's speedy network. Now, keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the transaction status. Once it's confirmed, hop back to Binance and refresh your wallet. Your Solana should appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just check the Blockchain Explorer using the transaction ID for any delays. A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first if you're unsure, and never share your private keys. Security is key in crypto. That's it for today's tutorial. You've now successfully transferred Solana from Trust Wallet to Binance. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.